Alright, y'all. I want you to start using your guilt and shame as a tool to show you exactly who you don't want to be. Too many of us get stuck in a state of guilt and shame. And I'm here to tell you that the levels of consciousness that generate creativity and resourcefulness, they're much higher than the state of guilt and shame. Like, trust me, I fucked up enough times and lived in a state of guilt and shame enough times where I know that great ideas never come from that place. So for example, I've made terrible financial decisions in the past, and it's so easy to stay in a state of guilt and shame because of it. But as soon as I say, oh, thank you, guilt and shame, for telling me and reminding me who I don't want to be. Thank you for telling me that I don't choose to be that way. And now I get to choose differently. I get to choose, oh, I'm never going to be that way again. I'm going to be a fantastic money manager moving forward. As soon as I make that decision, I get to move on to higher states of consciousness that will actually serve me in achieving my goals. Because as soon as I move on and I say, okay, cool, now I'm the creator of my reality and money is flowing to me in avalanches of abundance because I have a millionaire mind and I'm taking massive action to achieve my goals. As soon as I allow myself to feel that money is flowing to me in avalanches of abundance and that things can only get better and better and better, when I bring in that feeling, it's not just thinking it, feel it now. Allow yourself to feel the abundance now. And as soon as I do, I have access to genius ideas. The universe starts downloading exactly what it's like, oh, reach out to this person. Oh, hit up this organization. Oh, make this video. Oh, start this mastermind. Oh, it starts giving me genius ideas, resourcefulness and creativity necessary to create plans and back those plans with massive action. But that never comes from a place of guilt and shame. It only comes from a place of higher levels of consciousness like love and appreciation and gratitude and abundance. It comes from knowing who you are, that you are the creator of your reality, that your thoughts help to create your life. And that if you want to manifest abundance, you have to feel the abundance inside of you first. It starts from within. I love you guys. I hope this adds value. And as always, I'm excited for the next message.